To add the size chart to your Shopify store, you can follow these steps. Create your size chart. Design your size chart using a graphic design tool or spreadsheet software. Include measurements relevant to your products such as chest, waist, inseam, etc. Upload size chart image. Save your size chart as an image file. Go to your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to Settings, Files. Upload your size chart image file. Copy image URL. Once uploaded, click on the size chart image to view it. Copy the URL of the image from your browser's address bar. Edit product descriptions. Go to the product page where you want to add the size chart. In the product description section, add a text hyperlink or button that says View Size Chart. Link to size chart image. Highlight the text or button, then click the Insert or Edit Link option in the text editor. Paste the URL of your size chart image into the link field and click Insert. Save changes. Save the changes to your product description. Test the link. Preview your product page to ensure that the View Size Chart link or button is working correctly and opens the size chart image.